The FBI exposed what experts call a potential act of agro-terrorism. Chinese nationals caught smuggling a highly toxic fungus into the US. And this isn't just dangerous, it could have crippled American food supply, infected the soil and triggered a full-scale agricultural crisis affecting humans and cattle and livestock. Now, the FBI has arrested Chinese national Jian for smuggling a dangerous biological pathogen into the United States. Jian and Zunyong Liu, Jian and Liu, we'll call them those names now, have been charged with conspiracy, smuggling goods into the US, making false statements and visa fraud. Now, according to the FBI's complaint, an examination of electronic communications between the two indicates that the duo discussed shipping biological materials and research being done in the University of Michigan laboratory prior to Liu's arrival to the US. Detailing the nature of the pathogen, the U.S. Department of Justice says that the biological pathogen, which goes by the name Fusarium graminearum, causes head blight in some crops and is responsible for billions of dollars in economic losses globally each year. The fungus also causes vomiting, liver damage and reproductive defects in humans and livestock. Fusarium is a major fungal pathogen with serious implications in agriculture, food safety and economics. The fungal pathogen has been termed as potential agent of agro-terrorism, which falls under bio-terrorism and targets the agricultural sector to destabilize food systems, cause economic devastation, undermine public confidence in government and create widespread panic. Now, let's break down the potential impact of the fungal pathogen. Fusarium causes head blight in cereals, as I mentioned earlier as well, especially in wheat, barley and corn, as a result of which grain quality is heavily compromised, making it unsuitable for food or feed markets. Contaminated grains can cause nausea, vomiting, immunosuppression in humans and livestock. The economic consequences are also big. Other than direct losses, international grain trade may be affected due to stringent import regulations. Calling the incident a direct threat to national security, FBI Director Akash Patel said that the evidence indicates the charged Chinese national, Jian, is linked to the Chinese Communist Party and has received funding from the Chinese government for similar work on this pathogen in China. Akash Patel further accused the Chinese Communist Party of deploying operatives and researchers to infiltrate U.S. institutions and target the country's food supply, which could have grave consequences. Now, according to the FBI's complaint, Jian had been identified as having links to the Chinese Communist Party. Liu, her partner in crime, is currently employed by a university in China and is involved in biological research as well. The FBI states that Liu has been conducting research specifically on biological pathogens, and Jian allegedly admitted to smuggling the fungus.